So this is a recap for live stream 228. As we can see, we've had a losing day, minus 94. Today, I did miss out on being here when the market, around the market open. Certainly missed out on quite a few opportunities. They were long opportunities through here. Missed out on them due to scheduling, got to the market a bit late. Decided to go with the momentum strategy, which was pretty much saying long trades all for the rest, well, for the day. So went long, target hit, long. Did I close early here? Yep, closed it early. Price did get close to what would have been the stop. I don't believe it would have been stopped out, so closed it early there. Went long again. Target was hit, long. Closed it for a loss. Out of frustration, went short. Had to close that for a loss. Went with the true trade, went long. And was able to pick up the target there. Long again. And this was a stop out. Long, so again, just taking long trades with momentum. This is where the frustration really set in. Had a series of losing trades. So went long there, got stopped out, went short. Because of that, price turned around. Closed that for a loss there. Then went long. And was looking for an extraordinary target up at 90.75. Prices went to 84.50 from my entry of 77. Pulled all the way back and more recently closed for a loss there. NQ, as usual, the instrument we lost the most on. Again, missed out on the volatility of the open and the mid-morning. Momentum was saying to go long. And let's see. So through here, was stopped out on a long trade. Stopped out again on a long trade. Stopped out again on a long trade. So 3 losers in a row, got frustrated, went short. Had to close it for a loss as it went against me. Eventually picked up a long to target. Went long, got stopped out. Long again. Managed to get to target. Managed to get to target again. Got stopped out. Got stopped out again. This was very difficult for me psychologically. Out of frustration, went short. Prices turned around. And more recently, went long. Price went in my favor. Went to the highs from the 30th of Jan. Turned around. I was looking for an extraordinary target up at the 790s. Close for a loss there, 22. Would have been stopped out. The stop out was down at 97.50, as we can see here. Pretty much would have been stopped out anyway. Price came down to this blue line here, 94, which is our previous day's high. As we can see, we're seeing buying out of that area. And the highs up here were from bottom right hand side of the screen from the 30th of Jan. Again, I don't trade off levels, but just moved down to that level is 49.50. And currently, of course, seeing a rally of 30 points off that level. Over on gold, I believe, yep, we're positive on gold. So we were long. Price broke out of a trend. Closed it for a loss there. Then went short. Why did I close it for break even? Oh, that's a bit odd. Oh, I understand why it's done as break even. Because I added to the position. So went short, added to the position. Target was hit. That's the reason why that's saying a loss. Then the actual main target was hit down here, bringing us positive. I then got a short setup through here. but due to the time of day, thought with the market closing around at around this area 90 minutes before the US close, thought I'd get out. Eventually price came down to where I've got this green line where the target would have been. So for the stock with the trade, the target would have been hit. So deviate from my strategy a little bit, like taking these shorts through here when it was saying to go long, just out of the frustration of being stopped out a few times, not holding this trade down to target. So I'll have a look here at the trade performance. Over on the trade performance, you can see the net minus 94, negative profit factor. Accuracy is down. Don't really use accuracy, to be fair. Average win to average loss, not a great ratio at 0.42. Largest win to largest loss, not a great ratio either between the two. Time in the market about 10 minutes. Usually, we saw yesterday when we were in the market over 20 minutes, it seems to be best because it works in my favor. And short trades, I'm negative, but I should only have been taking short trades on gold because that's the only one that did set up. Over on ES and NQ, those shorts were out of frustration. And of course, more recently, you can see most of our losses came from longs. Did take a loss. Let's see. Goodness me. Did take a loss here. Market went all the way up there. So lost 22 there. Similar scenario. Took a loss through here. As the market went all the way up there, I didn't take profit. Now, of course, this wouldn't have hit stop. Well, this would have hit stop down at 97.50. And we're seeing price all the way back up at the 49s. Of course, I've stopped trading for the day. Had an extraordinary target up at the 790s. Who knows, we may get there, to my frustration. But I have to simply accept it. Simply have to accept it. Price rejected the 30th. Pulled back to the previous day's high, found support, and now has rallied over 50 points. Rallied over 50 points. May even get to the 790s I was looking at. Wasn't to be, so we'll come back tomorrow, see what the market brings. Pretty much given back all of the gains from yesterday. We made 108, we're down 94, so almost all the gains from yesterday. But we'll see what tomorrow brings. As usual, I will add the live stream to the bottom right hand side of the screen. It's about 3 hours if you'd like to watch it back. And with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.